Hello children, it's Miss Ryan here with day 4 of your phonics session. Okay, we're going to start the lesson today by doing jump in. So I'm going to read the sentence to you. You're going to follow carefully with your eyes. If I stop, you say the next word and then I will carry on. Remember to follow carefully. We're starting on page 9. Okay, the seaside is a good place for a holiday or day out. Read about in this book. Things you can do. You can dig in the sand with a spade, play ball games, look in rock pools, swim in the sea, put on your mask and snorkel and look for fish in the sea. Fish with a rod and line, explore caves, play with a kite, lie in the shade and read a book. Always swim with an. Stay close to the beach, put on armbands if you can't swim yet. Things you can see on the beach. You can see crabs, shells, seahorse, seaweed, stones, starfish, old bits of pot and glass. Well done. Collect some of those things in your bucket or net. Hot sun can harm your skin. Don't your sun cream when you play on the beach. Put on a sun hat and a t-shirt. Things you can eat and drink. You can eat on the beach. Ice cream cones come from the ice cream van. Fish and chips from the shop. You can drink water, milkshakes and lemonade. Keep our beaches clean. Put all your in a bag and take it home with you. It's fun at the. Well done for fantastic jumping in skills there, children. Now you're going to do your final read for the week. I'm hoping you'll be able to use lots of expression and be reading more fluently and quickly. Remember to pause if I am going too quickly for you. To look at some questions at the back of the book. Remember that most of the questions, the answers can be found on the page. Some of them you will have to have a think about. If you need to get yourself a pencil and a piece of paper now, do that please and press pause. Come back when you're ready. Okay, well done. I'm going to read each question to you and I will go to the page where the question has got the answer. So, first question, we're going to go to page 9 and it says, why do people go to the seaside? On page 9, why do people go to the seaside? Write down your answer. Press pause whilst you write and then press play when you're ready to go on to the next question. Why do people go to the seaside? Okie dokie. Next question, the answer is on page 10. What do you put on to watch fish in the sea? Page 10. What do you put on to look at fish in the sea? Press pause now to write down your answer. Press play when you are ready to move on. Okie dokie. Next question, we'll find the answer on page 11. What should you wear in the sea if you can't swim yet? What should you wear in the sea if you can't swim yet? Write down your answer, press pause whilst you are writing, press play when you're ready to go on. Okay, the next question you need to have a think about. It says, why is it important to wear a sun hat and a t-shirt at the seaside? The question's answer is on page 13. Why is it important to wear a t-shirt and a sun hat at the seaside? Press pause whilst you write down your answer, please. Okay, next question. The answer can be found on page 14. It says, where can you eat your picnic? So, on page 14, where can you eat your picnic? Press pause whilst you answer your question. Last question, we find the answer on page 15. You have to have a think about this. Why is it important to keep our beaches clean? Press pause whilst you write your answer, please. Okay, so we're now going to go over the answers to the question. The first question says, why do people go to the seaside? We're going to look on page 9. Why do people go to the seaside? They go to the seaside because it is a good place for a holiday or a day out. So give yourself a little tick if you wrote something along the lines of that. Next question is, what do you put on to watch fish in the sea? On page 10, we can see you put on your mask and snorkel to look at fish in the sea. Well done if you got that correct. Next question, what should you wear in the sea if you can't swim? Page 11, it tells us put on armbands if you can't swim yet. So well done if you got that correct. Put on armbands if you can't swim yet. Next question, which was have a think, why is it important to wear a sun hat and a t-shirt at the sea? So where it tells you to wear a sun hat and a t-shirt, it says the sun can harm your skin. So it's to protect yourself, to protect your skin and to protect your head from getting too hot. The next question says, where can you eat a picnic? It says on page 14, to eat your picnic on the beach. You can sit on the beach and have your picnic. And the last question says, why is it important to keep our beaches clean? It says, keep our beaches clean, put all your rubbish in a bag and take home with you. It's important to keep our beaches clean so that we, first of all, don't harm the environment, so any rubbish going in the sea. And secondly, so that other people can enjoy the beaches just as much as you have. So, well done. I'm sure you got lots of those correct. Give yourself a pat on the back. Children, for the last part of our session, you are going to correct a sentence. There are 2 errors in this sentence. So, I'm going to read the sentence to you, and then I'm going to press pause, and you are going to look for the errors. Okay, dig in the sand with a spade, sit in the shade. Have a little look for the errors and then we will check together. So, the first error is spade. The second error is shade. Okay, now I would like you to see if you can correct those errors. See if you can correct those errors. Okay, there's the sentence. Dig in the sand with a spade, sit in the shade. And well done if you were able to make corrections. That is the end of your lesson. Well done.